Good morning children. In the last class I have explained about exercise 7.2. Okay children, I hope you have written in your notebook. Some of the questions I have explained, the remaining questions I told you to practice in your notebook. Today let me explain about algebraic expressions. What is the meaning of algebraic expression? A collection of constants and literals connected by one or more signs of operations. You know already the meaning of constants like 2, 3, 4, the numbers. Those are all known as the constants. And literals means x, y, z, a, b, c, d like that. We can give any value for that letters. That is known as the literals. So a collection of constants and literals connected by one or more signs of operations. Either maybe plus sign, negative sign, into mark, that is product sign, division sign, like that. They can connect it by one or more signs. That is known as an algebraic expression. Here I have written one example children. X square minus 5x plus 6. 6 is a constant, okay, like that x square and 5x. So those are literals. And they are connected by one or more signs of operation. Means here minus sign will be there and here positive sign will be there. So they are connected by some operations. That is known as the algebraic expression. Now let me explain about terms of algebraic expression. Terms of algebraic expression. So here I have taken the example of a 5x. How many terms are there? Only one term. So in between no positive sign, no negative sign. But 5 into x means here in between the multiplication symbol will be there. That is 5 into x or 5x. That is only one term only. So here I have written number of terms as a 1. And here terms, the same term I have written here 5x. Next, x square plus 5y. See, in between positive sign will be there. Means here two terms. X square is one term, 5y is one term. So I have to write it here two terms. Which are all the terms means x square comma 5y. X square comma 5y. Here you no need to write positive sign because we are writing the terms separate. But this one is algebraic expression. Okay. The third one, x square plus 12x plus 7. So you count children how many terms are there. X square is one term, 12x is one term, 7 is one term, totally 3 terms are there. And which are all the terms means x square comma 2x comma 7. Understood? Last one, 4 plus 2x square minus 3x cube. So here how many terms are there? 4 is one term, 2x square is one term, 3x cube is one term. So totally 3 terms are there. Which are all the terms? So you separate it. 4 comma 2x square comma 3x cube. You have to separate it. The terms rating is very easy only. This plus and minus you have to neglect it, that's all. And here you have to count and you have to write the number of the terms. Now let me explain about the meaning of coefficients. Okay children? What is the meaning of coefficients? How to write the coefficient for the given algebraic expression? Children, actually this chapter is very easy compared to that whole number and the knowing our numbers. Because of shortage of time, I am sending the video daily. But even though it is very easy only, you can score very good mark in this algebra lesson. Okay, coefficients. Coefficients. To explain this, let me consider one easy example children. Example 6xy. They are given in your textbook also, but let me explain once again. 6xy. 6 is a constant now children. What about xy? Xy is a algebraic term or a numerical term? Algebraic term. Okay, algebraic factor. And 6 is a numerical factor. Xy is a algebraic factor. So together forming the algebraic expression. So for example, if they are asking the coefficient of 6 is dash. Coefficient of 6 is dash means except 6, which are all the factors are there, that you have to write it. So xy is the answer. Okay. Next, the coefficient of the coefficient of x. If they are asking coefficient of x means except 6, except 6. So which are all the terms are there? So except x. So which are all the factors are there? 6 and y. So 6y is the answer. I hope you have understood and you are getting an idea. Next, the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y is, what is the answer? Except y. Which are all the terms are there? Which are all the factors are there? Except y, 6x is there. So 6x is the answer. Let me explain once again. I have taken the example of 6xy. Understood, children? 6xy. Here I have written the coefficient of 6 is dash. Except 6. So which are all the other factors? That is xy. You write down. Next, the coefficient of x is dash. So except 6. So which are all the other factors? 6 and y. So 6y is the answer. The coefficient of y is dash. Except y, which are all the other factors here? 6x. Understood, children? So in such a way we had to find out the coefficient. Now the next topic, let me explain about the like and unlike terms. That is also important, children. Like and unlike terms. Like and unlike terms. For that, let me consider one example, children. In your textbook they have given page number 155. You can go through it, like and unlike terms. Here let me consider an example. 2x cube plus 5xy minus 8y minus 3xy. Okay. So let me consider the same example what they have given in your textbook. Go through this, children. So here 2x cube will be there, next 5xy will be there, 8y will be there, 3xy. So we can group this two, no, children, because here xy and xy. So algebraic factor is the same. So let me write once again, 5xy comma minus 3xy, these two. So let me take these two. Okay. Here xy will be there, here also xy will be there. Means algebraic factor is the same in these two terms. So let me repeat the sentence. Algebraic term in both these algebraic expression is the same. That is xy and xy. So these two are known as a like terms. So these two algebraic terms are known as a like terms. What about these two, children? That is 2x cube comma minus 8y. Any common algebraic factor is there here? X cube, that is entirely different from y. Y is entirely different from x cube. So both are different algebraic factors. Both are having the different algebraic factors. Therefore, these are all unlike terms. These are all unlike terms. I hope you have understood, children. Like terms means the same algebraic factor. For example, instead of xy, if it is x square y is there, means that is also not possible. Understood? Instead of xy and xy here, if I am writing x square y, then also it is not possible. It is different. But we have to check the power also and we have to check the base. xy, xy. So both are like terms. Here x cube is entirely different, y is entirely different. So this is known as an unlike terms. Okay, children. In the next coming class, let me explain about the page number 155 to find the value of the algebraic expression. They are going to give an expression and we have to find out the value. In the next video class, tomorrow's video class, I will show you, children. Till that, please write down in your notebook and try to practice. Don't worry, this chapter is very easy. You can score very good mark also. Thank you.